With almost 4 decades of experience, Touchstar is internationally recognized as the market leader in mobile applications for the fuel delivery market. Developed in conjunction with some of today's fuel industry giants, FuelStar facilitates a live connection between drivers, transport staff, accounts teams and customers. Sharing live data regarding vehicle position, onboard stock, trip progress and EPOD confirmation, facilitating real-time decision-making, a reduction in administration and instant invoicing. Let's examine the typical flow of data through the FuelStar delivery process. With the highly flexible entry screens, powered by a web-based back-office system, we can cater for almost any fuel delivery scenario. Once the jobs are entered onto the system, they can be automatically allocated to vehicles in the most logical order using the planning tool. Using real-time job information, clients are able to allocate the jobs to the relevant vehicles. Once a manifest has been created, it is then sent out to the delivery drivers remotely in the field. To further enhance the efficiency, the system displays the route on a digital map, saving fuel and time on the road. The driver logs on to the Android in-cab computer, and the FuelStar software is then able to accept driver ID and mileage. This enhances both the security and accuracy of the data returned from the system. The system optionally prompts the driver to undertake his statutory vehicle checks prior to receiving the work schedule. The checks are completed with a signed statement by the driver, which includes a location, date, and timestamp. Once verified, the vehicle safety sheet is available both in the transport office and locally on the device for roadside check purposes. The system manages faults by exception, allowing for rapid identification and remedial action. On completion of the vehicle safety checks, the driver is presented with an overview of the scheduled loading and delivery tasks for that shift. Delivery comments by customer and specific order are presented automatically and trigger a read receipt message to the back office. This ensures that key information is shared effectively and instantaneously. The system additionally allows easy review of truck location and onboard stock. The driver or back office team can plan job changes effectively as a result. The driver is required to fill the tank with the planned amount of fuel. Within FuelStar, the vehicle loading process is recorded by pot, grade, location, contract and bill of lading number. The data is recorded on the ATEX in-cab computer, which is approved for use in Zone 2 environments. The single-source combination of hardware and software is unique to Touchstar technologies. Upon completion of the vehicle loading process, the driver is then able to select the delivery and progress to the client site. At this stage, an automated pre-delivery message can be sent, enhancing customer service levels. Vehicle navigation options facilitate the collection and population of the tank's GPS coordinates. Should the delivery not be possible, then there are a number of non-delivery codes which can be recorded against the delivery and returned to the back office. In the event that this is a result of lack of access or health and safety issues, image capture is able to provide supporting evidence should the customer query this at a later date. Paper PODs can also be generated if required. For metered deliveries, once the vehicle is in position at the customer's tank, it is possible for the system to preset the meter to a pre-arranged quantity. Once the delivery has taken place, details of the quantity, location, date and time are automatically recorded. The metering system provides weights and measures approved ticketing. The tickets can be printed from the existing printer or using a thermal printer that will allow logos, signatures and more flexible report printing options. Various reports are available for printing throughout the process. For example, load plan, bill of lading, proof of delivery and vehicle inspection report. Should the customer require an additional remote delivery, FuelStar is able to consolidate the total deliveries in a single ticket. Upon completion, the customer can view full details of the delivery with the opportunity to provide a POD. The flexibility of the system means that it is possible to collect both payment and a digital signature at this juncture. On completion of a delivery and on returning to the truck, The driver has the ability to manage the stock, including line changes. The driver will also be able to ensure that there is an up-to-date stock allocation per pot. FuelStar can also manage delivery of loads within an unmetered environment via gravity drop. Ullage information can be checked automatically, both pre- and post-discharge. This avoids costly errors at the point of delivery. All details transferred and collected throughout the day are continually transferred to the back office, which means end-of-shift reconciliation and client invoicing can be handled automatically. The real-time transmission of key delivery data to the back office provides many commercial and operational benefits.